I think I need to adjust the cables for Marduk's transmission so she can drive around faster. But she at least managed to poke the giant robot over, well, the other giant robot over, and spill its brains on the floor. But, yeah, I guess that's okay. It seems to be digging some ruts into the ground, but, you know, that's no big deal. I think, though, I'll be making a better shoulder mechanism than the use frame style one, the one similar to Judd McStud, because it is good for smaller units, but with the bigger ones you don't get as much forward swinging action. So I think what I'm going to do is build a mechanism that only has the arm swing forward, so their entire bicep will rotate more, as well as the forearm. So it'll be a little more nifty looking, a little more, well, action-packed than just putting the elbow into position and poking people, which will make it probably a lot better and a lot more interesting. Not sure when I'm going to be doing that. I might have the parts already, so it'll just be a matter of time of cobbling the PVC together. So that was a bit of a test video, well, the test punch video. I'm going to be doing a driving around the yard video a little later, you know. Drive the mech around the yard, say hello to the van, and you know, the G6 over there, and that fun stuff, and hopefully not make as many ruts as I have. But that will be all for today, I guess. If you do, hold on a sec, close that up. Well, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to film your mech with J.J. Abrams lens flares today. Bye-bye.